Hi, this is Margie with Outdoor Solutions, and here we are in Texas. And this morning we got a couple of nice hogs, and this is the backstrap from one of them. And I'm gonna make dinner with one part. I'm gonna wrap it in bacon. We have a honey lavender, beautiful sauce that's going on it with honey crisp apples. I've already started the honey lavender sauce for our bacon wrapped backstrap. I have got some butter, some sage, some lovely sage, it's just so lovely, and some honey crisp apples that I've peeled down, cored, and put into slices. And it's been sitting here for a little bit and it is cooking good. The lavender, you can use lavender anytime it's a good substitution for rosemary. And these are real lavender buds. They're just lovely. I put a little maple in there. I didn't have any maple syrup, but I have this great block of maple that I grated down. I'll put some of that in there. Some stone ground mustard and honey. This is all going in, and then I will wrap this with bacon, and it will go on the Rectech smoker until done, and we'll put the sauce over it, and it's just gonna be great for dinner. So, the butter, the sage, and the Honeycrisp apples have been going for a little bit. A little salt and pepper on them. I'm gonna put in a little bit of maple. Just sprinkle that in there to go with about a half a cup of honey. We're gonna put some of these, the nice lavender right in at the beginning, and a healthy spoonful of our ground mustard. We'll let this simmer for a bit, making a lovely sauce. When we get done, it's gonna go on top of this beautiful backstrap. So I'm going to take this and cut it right here. And this will be our appetizer for the evening. That will be a whole nother deal we do here in a minute. And then I'm gonna wrap this in bacon. Now I've taken and I have par-cooked these pieces of bacon, because when it goes on the Rectech, I don't want it to get just barely done. I want it to get crisp up a little bit. So I've given it a head start. So this bacon will get wrapped around all the way around the whole piece and go right on there. I would crisscross it, but it's gonna be cut into slices so everybody gets an individual piece. And with the magic of media, the next time you see this piece of meat, it will be beautifully done on a plate with some nice sauce on it and a little apple and we're gonna have some green beans. Then I'm gonna cook some of this bacon bits, and we're gonna blanch those green beans in the bacon grease with some sweet onion. What's going on? I'm gonna put this upside down with the non-fruity side up to begin with. Hopefully we won't lose all our bacon. And that's why we're putting that up. So when it finishes, the seam side will be down. If you like this recipe and a whole lot more of the other things we've made, you can go to our website, fromfieldtotable.com, and check us out on YouTube. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and please hit the button that'll give you a notification. Come back anytime, we've got more.